Hello friends, in this video we are going to study class 9 science. Chapter 2 is matter around the sphere part 2. So let's get started. Colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture. It consists of two phases, dispersed phase and dispersion medium. In dispersed phase, component present in small proportion. In dispersion medium, component present in large proportion. The particles of colloid are large enough to scatter a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible. Thus they show Tyndall effect. In the previous video, we have studied about colloidal solution. Now, in this part, we are going to study about its effect. The particles of colloid are very large enough to scatter a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible. It is called Tyndall effect. The colloidal particles are moving at random in a zigzag motion in all directions. The colloidal particles move in zigzag motion in all directions. This type of zigzag motion of a colloidal particle is called Brownian movement. On the basis of amount of solute, unsaturated solution, saturated solution and supersaturated solution. Unsaturated solution is a solution in which has lesser amount of solute, that it can dissolve at a given temperature is known as the unsaturated solution. It is a solution which has lesser amount of solute. Saturated solution, a solution which has maximum amount of solute that it can dissolve at a given temperature is known as saturated solution. It is a solution which has maximum amount of solute. Supersaturated solution, a solution which can dissolve amount of solute by increasing temperature. Saturated solution is known as supersaturated solution. It is a solution known as supersaturated solution. It is a solution which can dissolve amount of solute. By increasing temperature. In the given picture, we can see that in unsaturated solution, more solute dissolves. In saturated solution, no more solute dissolves. In supersaturated solution, which becomes unstable and form crystals. On the basis of nature of solvent, aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. Aqueous solution, the solution in which the solvent water is known as aqueous solution. Means the solution in which the solvent is water. The solvent in which the solvent is water is known as aqueous solution. In non-aqueous solution, the solution in which the solvent is other than water, ether, alcohol or acetone is known as non-aqueous solution. Physical and chemical changes. Physical changes that do not result in the production of a new substance. For example, if you melt a block of ice, you still have the end of the change. If you break a bottle, you still have glass. The physical changes are the changes that do not result in the production, of a new substance. And they are the reversible changes and they can be reversed at any stage. Example: melting, freezing, condensing, breaking, crushing, cutting and bending. Chemical changes that result in the production of another substance, as in the case of autumn leaves. A change in color is a clue, indicate a chemical change. A half-eaten apple that turns brown. Alloys, a material that has metallic properties and is composed of two or more chemical elements, which at least one is metal. Alloys have metallic properties and is composed of two or more chemical elements, of which at least one is metal. These cannot be separated into their components by physical methods. However, these are considered as mixture because these show the properties of its constituents and can have variable composition. Benefits of alloys. Aluminium alloys are extensively used in the production of automotive engine parts. Copper alloys have excellent electrical and thermal performance, good corrosion resistance, high ductility and relatively low cost. Copper alloys are usually used in wiring. Stainless steel alloys are used for many commercial applications such as watch straps, cutlery, etc. Titanium alloys have high strength, toughness and stiffness and are used in aerospace structures. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.